Hi, it's Darnell at Wave Oven Recipes, and I've got a little something here that some of you have been asking for, and it is a cookbook. It is my cookbook. As you know, I do things 100% independent, never been sponsored by any corporate entities or companies or cooker makers or anything. And so this is my cookbook, independent of anyone, done by myself, and it's a cookbook of 100 recipes for countertop cookers. So, I've done over the years cooks with many different types of countertop cookers, and I've comprised 100 great recipes for countertop cookers here in this cookbook. And there are a lot of recipes in here for air fryer ovens. Most of the recipes in here are for air fryer ovens. Then there are recipes in here for when I've done work with the new Wave oven. And there's recipes in here also for basket air fryers. There's a handful of basket air fryer recipes in here. There's also recipes for pressure cooker air fryers in here. There's a handful of those in here. There's also some recipes for indoor grills in here. So for basically every type of indoor cooker, I tried to compile recipes that I really liked and that you really liked, put them into a single cookbook, and it's 100 total. And so, whatever type of countertop cooker you have, if you're new to the game, this will probably help you to get an understanding of how to use your cooker. If you're an old school, long time user of things and you want to help this channel and support this channel, this is a great way to support this channel. There is an ebook and there is a physical book. They both have the same recipes in them. It's just whatever your preference is, get whatever you prefer, ebook or a physical book, whichever one you like. Right now I've got it on Amazon, on Kindle, on the ebook. I've got the physical book for sale there, and I've got the link in the video description, and it's also in my Amazon shop. I am working on getting it also through Google Play. That's still going through some approvals and things with them, but once that's all set up, I'll have a link in the video description for that option as well. And this was basically the way that I had to go to get this out to you, given all the logistics and things. This was really just the way that I had to get this out, because this is not through like any major publishing house or anything like that. This is all my own creation that I've done and set up for you, so that you have a way to have the recipes. Even if everything else went away, you could still have recipes of your own to hold on to, and it's a way to help the channel if you want to help the channel. And also I wanted to show you inside of the cookbook, every recipe has a picture on the page. Every recipe has a picture. So there's a picture of everything. I've always tried to include like thumbnails in my videos of what I cook, so you can see every recipe in here is something I have actually cooked, actually using the recipe in this book, and I show you the picture of me actually, the results of me cooking it. And so you know that it works because you know that I've done it. You know that videos are here of everything, and so you basically have a nice reference for anything you want to look up to try and cook, and a way to help this channel as well. So the book is here now, and I hope that you do enjoy it. It took a good bit of time and effort to really get this all compiled and together for you, so I hope that you do find some benefit from it. And so basically I do hope that you continue to enjoy this channel, enjoy the book, enjoy in the video description there are even other ways to help this channel if you choose. And so with all of that, I'll just say God bless and good eating.